guys, and welcome to today's video. Today is day 3 of my little Latvia adventure. I said yesterday was going to be uneventful. I didn't think that the drag races would be so big. They were so much bigger than I thought they initially were. So yeah, but today we might be going to a shopping mall right now before we leave. Then we go to Krister's countryside house, and in the evening we'll go karting. So that are today's plans. I don't know how much we'll mess them up because we woke up way too late. So yeah, anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys later. So this is my breakfast. I'm at McDonald's. What up? This is Krister's little brother, Emil's. I don't know if I said that yet, but now you know. Yeah. We didn't have time to grab breakfast this morning, so let's go really unhealthy. Also, turns out this burger is my namesake. This is the Carl's burger. I love it. I'm guessing there's no more blueberries on here anymore.
But be careful, we also
Oh! Shit happens. I have to go to the first store tomorrow.
we should have given him like. Once we had a case also, Christus, I think he was not born at that moment, and we had the strawberry field right behind this forest where the blueberries are growing now, and in the evening we noticed that there were some people creeping around and trying to steal strawberries. So we came back to the house, took the weapons and surrounded them and made some shots fired in the air and caught them. Some of them escaped, but the majority we did catch.
How many of them were there?
Oh, I think some 5 people. Then we locked them in the basement. And asked them to write, you know, like a notification why they did this and so and so.
And then you gave it to
Some
the
of them
police.
didn't want to do this because they were already
On parole.
under the scope of the police. So we threatened them and so on and so. And then finally, that's it. That's very
Sounds like torture to
interesting
me.
experience.
So as you saw, we arrived at the blueberry farm that Krister's parents own. We walked around a bit, looked at the lakes, and then after that we managed to get Krister's old E36 to start. And I don't know how good the content is, but maybe I'll just paste a little bit in. And so yeah, I had some really nice dinner. So thank you to Family Löfbas. Probably didn't pronounce your name correctly, but sorry. So we're about to head back home. We're gonna go karting, and we'll call it a day. After that would end day 3 of my stay in Latvia. Now tomorrow we are going to go. It's the Latvian national holiday. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but something's happening tomorrow. So we're going to check that out. I kind of wanted to check out a thrift store for fun because Adidas and memes and everything. And in the evening we're going to go look at a dance competition from Emil's, that is Krister's little brother. And after that, I don't know, we'll probably throw in some more unexpected things. But we're going to go home now, go to bed early, catch up on some sleep that we've been missing. We've come home like 5 a.m. 2 days in a row, so that's absolutely crazy. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, because I think I'll just use this as an outro and have some karting clips here. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Leave a like if you liked the video, leave a dislike if you disliked the video. Don't forget to comment what did we do good, what could we have done better. Social media is linked down below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so you'll stay updated on all our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and keep the drive on.